Tonight, the little boy's in hospital after reportedly played at the arcade hit from the 80s, Pac-Bird.
I saw his commercial. And I saw his game at the arcade. He collects rings. He snatches them. He's fast. Can run. Now he's over there.
Doctors said that this game is unfit for child and human beings to play in the arcade. Some people that Pac-Man might be confirmed that he will be sued for Child Society America for committing a victim to a child. The arcade places have been shut down due to the Pac-Bird's victim, and now they recommended them to play at home with an Atari 5200 or Atari 2600. So, I'm not quite sure what happened to the child that he played, Pac-Bird, but whoever made this game really abusive to that child will be to blame. The arcade game, which the parents has been concerned and referred as a Pac child abuser or a Pac murderer. We have been told with the Midway CEO president, Matt Booty, will be agreed to visit the hospital today. I don't deserve to be called as the president, or I don't know what the hell or goddamn name would you call me, but that child in that room is faking it. There's nothing wrong with that damn game. That stupid little child in that room, I say it. They're faking it. Hold on, we got the... Oh, I see there's something wrong with that there.